So we haven't necessarily done a pair of earbuds in a little bit, so why not? And just so you are aware, we do have some more that we're going to be testing soon. But anyways, these ones are the hi-fi stereo sound Freepods Minis. Coming in right now about $43 Canadian. So getting 4-star reviews from 23 ratings. Now, as you can see here, Bluetooth 5.3, noise canceling, 24-hour playtime, audio earbuds, IPX4, so great for working out if you're going to get sweaty or anything like that. Type-C quick charging case, and works with iOS and Android. So, 4 stars, kind of getting a meh review. Well, actually 4 is not meh. I would say 3 is that. 4 stars. When looking at the reviews, we are getting it feels better than the price you pay. This one is in French, so sadly I can't read it. 4, again, next one in a different language, I can't read it. Different language, can't read it. 3, different language, can't read it. But 40, what is it? 40, let's say $45-ish dollars. Let's take a look, see what comes in the box. Let's pair them with my phone and give them a listen and see what we think. Okay, so here they are. Here they is. Simple box, right? That's it right there. Hi-fi stereo sound. What does it say? 3 grams. Yep. 6 hours on a single charge. 24 hours total with the case. A large sound driver. And it looks like it has a QR code to take you to their email address and some information in regards to the company. So, oh, more stuff. Bluetooth 5.3, secure fit, smart touch control. Okay, we're not going to go through the controls, but single and binaural modes. Yep, that's what it is. Okay, so put that over there. There's the earbuds. They feel like Apple-y. USB-C cable, again, short. Not the shortest one I've seen, but short. Would like to see again. Actually, that's not horrible, I guess. USB-A, USB-C. A little manual here. Is it a manual? No, warranty card, sorry. Warranty card. And you get 1-year warranty, it looks like. And there's your manual right there. Okay, so shows you how to get by. Actually, it's not very many pages. It looks thicker than it is. From 1 to, let's say, 9 is English. So other than that, you're off to the races. Okay, so this is the actual earbuds themselves. And yes, very, very original kind of Apple-y case, but it's small. I'll give it that. Like, they're tiny if you're someone that doesn't like a big charging case. And to get 24 hours out of a case that tiny, that's pretty good. Let's first off, we'll just bring up our phone here just to make sure that everything is connecting fine. Make sure I'm on my little Bluetooth right there. Okay, because a lot of times it'll just pop up. Ready? And open. Oh yeah, these look very much like the original. I'll say the original AirPods, Apple's, right? You can kind of see them right there. Yes, look very much like the originals. They've got a blue sticker on them, which is protecting them from discharging. So realize that until you take that off and put them back in that, put them back in the case, you're gonna get nothing. So make sure that comes off of both. So nice thing is they make it fairly easy for you to pull this off. I say that, and then of course I can't get them off. That didn't sound right at all. Okay, so this now. These now will go back in here, and the hope is that these, okay, we get a little power light right there. You guys see that? Yes? You maybe saw that already when it opens and closes? No? Yes? No? Yes? Number one, it's got a nice, not a bad snap to it, which is kind of nice. I'm hoping that something happens. Power on, okay. Yeah, these are very much like the original AirPods. Power on. So make sure, just be realized that they don't have like the tips like you would see on a lot of them, so for sizing. So they're going to fit some people and they're not going to fit some people. But there you go, Freepod Minis. As soon as you take them out of the case, put them in your ears, they kind of pop up. Now, the other thing to realize with something that fits like this, and I found this with the original even Apple AirPods, was that, you know, it was hit and miss for some people. Some people are like, oh, the sound, they fit, oh, it's wonderful. And then other people are like, no, I don't like them. Because you don't have tips, it's hard, they either fit or they don't, right? So even for me, I'd actually like these, because I want to say mid to bigger ears, I guess. I'd actually like these to fit a bit tighter in the old ear holes, right? So if I push them to get them snug in here, I can already feel that they fit better. Back here, where they just naturally fit, and that's just me, right? Is that I hear a lot of outside sound. So even with, let's say, noise canceling, they're not going to cancel because there's just too much space between the earbuds and my ears. Just realize I'm saying my ears, right? So I'm not going to get that unless I have them forced forward, which you really can't do. So just kind of be aware of that. Now, it does look like something on here. Something? I don't even know where it is. Maybe it's so it's a squeeze, just like the Apple AirPods, yeah. And it's playing something. But yeah, see, if I can push them forward, they sound way better than normal. Because when they sit backwards, now I'm bringing Siri up. When they sit backwards, they sound very hollow, but you push them forward and they sound really good. So here's the thing I'm going to say. I would think if you've ever tried like Apple earbuds and you're like, oh, they fit really good, then you'll probably have good luck with these. Because for me, and there's just no way for me to get them to sit here. Like I can push them into my ears like this and I'm like, oh yeah, those sound really good now, right? But as soon as I let them go, they slowly fade back out again. So they go from being in my ear like this, which is where they sound the best, to slowly coming back where they tin out. That's not necessarily, I don't want to say it's a fault of the earbuds, it's a fault of the earbuds with my ears, right? So, and I'm going to just turn that down. Are they comfortable? Yeah, 100%. Like, and so did I found Apple earbuds super comfortable. But I even didn't find their like the Apple earbuds to sound good. And of course, it was primarily because of the fact, right, that they didn't fit my ears right. I do want to check, because some of you will be like, they fit perfect, I love them, they sound awesome, okay? And maybe you've tried, like I said, Apple earbuds, and those fit well, so I think these would probably be successful. But the thing that I want to check here is the mic. So we have, as you can see on here, the Freepods earbuds is set up as the microphone. And we're just going to spin the camera around and shoot a quick video here. So this is okay. So this is now using the I can't even say it, Freepods Minis. Um, how do they sound? I'm letting you guys hear them. This is just sound coming from the earbuds themselves. My meters say that they're coming in right now around minus 12-ish, minus 8-ish, somewhere in that range on my meters. So you guys should at least be able to get an idea of what these are like. Not going to touch them, not going to do any kind of sound altering to them, and hopefully it gives you a good idea. Okay, so I would say that the sound quality from them is good if they fit. If they don't fit, then you're not going to be pleased, and that's where I think you're seeing some of these 5 stars, 4 stars, 3 stars. Someone that gives it 5 stars, 100%, they fit their ears really well. Someone that was 4, maybe it doesn't fit as good, and someone that's 3 or lower is being like, they just don't fit. There's just nothing you can do about them, right? When you have a pair of earbuds that are kind of designed for universal appeal, you're hit and miss if they actually fit. Here they are right here, right on here, Freepods Minis. And the only other thing I want to check is that when we put them away, that they disconnect. Because last thing you want to do is put them in your bag or whatever, and boom, disconnected. But I've seen some, they go in and then they stay connected, and you go to use them the next day and they're discharged, right? So they're charging now, very cool. Worth the $43? You know what? I would say for me, no, because I'm not getting the sound quality I want out of them. But again, if they fit your ears, they're comfortable for sure. The sound is decent, and it's got cool touch control, and that's a super small case, which I really like. If they don't fit, then you're not going to be pleased. That's all I can tell you. Amazon though, so you can try them and return them if you don't like them, and that's it. Anyways, links down below if you are interested in these, and I'm going to leave you there. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell. More earbuds and other tech gizmos coming out, and we'll see you fine folks tomorrow. Later.